Welcome to JUZDAD. Today, let's learn some domestic bird names. Hen. Here, there are many hens. Hen. Duck. Duck is very colorful bird. It can also swim. Duck. Pigeon. Look at the pigeon. They look very beautiful and cute. They can fly. Pigeon. Turkey. Turkey is also a big bird with beautiful feathers. Turkey. Rooster. Look at the rooster. It runs very fast. It also flies little. Rooster. Quail. Quail is a tiny bird. Looks round, cute. Quail. Emu. Emu is a big bird and look at its long neck. Emu. Hey, with this we learned few domestic bird names. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you.